Today I'm going to show you how to install Husky Liner's UltraGrip bed mat on this 2017 Ford F-150. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is flip our mat over, and we can see on either side we have our loop fastener that's sewn into our mat, here and on this side as well. Now you're going to have in your kit some hook fasteners. We're going to take the two long strips and we're just going to apply those to our loop side all the way down. We're going to do that on both sides. So now we can take our mat and just set it into place. Just like that. Now what we're going to do is pull one corner of the mat up. We're going to check to see where our 3M tape lines up on our bed. It's going to line up right here over this. You can set it back down and kind of check it. It's going to line up right here. So then we're going to take some paper towels and some rubbing alcohol and just clean that entire area where the tape lines up with the bed of the truck. I'm just going to wipe that a few times, let that dry. Now if you have a spray-in liner, you're going to want to use the promoter, the adhesion promoter that comes in the kit. And before you use it, you're going to want to scuff up the area and then apply the adhesion promoter and then apply the 3M tape. But for ours, we don't need to do that. Once that's dry, we can just remove the backing, set it into place, and then just push firmly all the way along where the tape is. Hold it there for a few seconds, and then you're going to repeat that process on the other side. Now we're going to take our remaining hook fasteners. They're going to be in pieces. We're just going to break those off, and we're going to put them evenly over the top side of our tailgate piece and the bottom side. Now with that done, we're going to take our rubbing alcohol and some paper towels. And again, we're going to clean the surface of our tailgate. So we're going to do the very top. That's where the top portion is going to line up. And the bottom is going to line up down here. Again, you can flip the mat over and kind of line everything up. And that'll help you get a general idea of the area that needs to be cleaned. Now we can flip our tailgate piece over. Line it up where we want it, and then one at a time we'll lift it up, peel a piece off, and set it into place. And I'm starting at the middle just so I make sure I get it even on both sides. Push down on it, give it a few seconds, make sure it's on there, and then again just keep going down. I'm going to do the first two at the top and the middle first. And I'm going to lift up the side, reach my hand under, and get the back ones. Push those down. And that just keeps everything aligned properly. I do the same thing on this back one on the other side. I'm going to reach my hand under, pull that off. Push it down. And then I'm going to continue to do the rest of the back ones first. Our back should be completely done. I'm just going to go all the way down it, applying pressure, and then we can finish up the front. Just like that. All right guys, that completes the installation. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online.